good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. If you can hear me, please let me see it in the comments. If you can hear me, help me type it in the comments so I can see. Everybody is welcome here. You are super welcome. You are super welcome. If you can hear me, let me see in the comments. All right. Thank you very much. Where is everybody from? Where is everybody from? Let me see you type the country you're watching me from. Let me see you type the country you're watching me from. It's good to see every one of you in this live webinar. My voice is low. Whoa. Let me see what I can do about it. Let me see what I can do about it. How about now? Is my voice okay? Nigeria, London, Ghana, Kenya. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining me here. All right. I'm happy to see every one of you. Today's video is going to be about money management, and this has been a very difficult thing to a lot of traders out there. That is one of the major reasons why we need to discuss about money management. All right. It is important that you understand this concept because this forms the basis of your trading, the foundation of your success in the foreign exchange market. Sound still low. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do about it. Audio. All right. Can you hear me very clearly now? Some people are saying no sound. How about now? Can you hear me now? I have just added the sound. I've increased the volume. No sound. Please, can you check from your end? Because some people are saying the voice is okay. There is sound from their end, and some people are typing that the voice is not okay. No sound. Please let me know loud and clear. So please, if you have any challenge with the volume, you can use maybe a headphone so you can hear me clearly. All right. So let's talk about money management and how I do it on my end. I'm going to be sharing what I've learned very early in the market with you. And don't worry if you miss the class. This recording will be uploaded to the YouTube channel. This recording will be uploaded right here in the YouTube channel. So you don't have to worry. If you have anything to catch up with, you can go over there and catch up with your meeting. Then later you can come and watch everything we'll be discussing. So hence, we're going to be having live session every weekend where you will have chance. I'm trying to see how I can have access to Zoom that will contain at least 1,000 people, because I've checked all the subscription options. It's very limited number of people, but YouTube can give us access to more than 1,000 people, and that is why I decided to use YouTube for this live streaming. All right. So in that case, whenever we have access to Zoom that can contain more than 1,000 people, I think that will be very okay. So I can pick one of you to talk at a time. You can you can tell me what your challenges are, and then I can go ahead and explain it in detail. I think that would be better. That's fair enough, right? That's fair enough, right? My voice is low. Oh, wow. Some people are saying no sound. Please make sure you check it from your end, because this can't be from my end. I've done almost everything correctly here. Even though this is the first time I'm doing live streaming on this YouTube channel, I watched some tutorials on how to do it properly with OBS. So you can check it from your end. You can check it from your end. So let's get to business, guys. No sound, no sound. What is happening? What is happening? Please check it from your end. All right, all right. Some people are saying they can hear me very well. Some people are saying they can't hear me. All right, all right. It's fine. So let's talk about money management. Money management. What exactly is money management? I know almost everybody that came to this market has this in mind. You wanted to make money in the market, and there is a learning curve you need to follow. There is a learning curve you need to follow. First of all, you will need to understand that this market attracts you because you've heard somebody made a fortune in the market, and you also want to make your own fortune in the market. And then you dabble into the market. You started, most people, if you don't start from YouTube, you probably have started from a mentor out there. All right, you probably have started from a mentor out there that started teaching you, and then eventually you are where you are today. All right, about 7 years ago, when I started trading, I had a mentor that taught me this. He calls it the trader's circle. Let me show you the trader's circle. This is important because a lot of you people will have a lot of knowledge in this. The trader's circle is something like this. All right, this is the trader's circle. And in this trader's circle, there is different quadrants and their meaning. I'm not very good in drawing, but I will try and explain it in detail for you. This is how the trader's circle looks like. All right. I hope you can hear me very well, right? The trader's circle looks like this. And every single trader today in the market has to pass through this, except if you have a proper mentorship. And that is why you need to have a very good understanding of what you are doing in the market. That is the foundation. The first thing you begin to hear about the market is the opportunities that are in the market. And then you start with trading in the Forex market. Let me type. The first thing is to start. I don't know how you started or how you heard about the market and in the market from this quadrant. I don't know whether you can relate with this. You went to YouTube, you went to Instagram, you went to TikTok, you went to Twitter, and you see the testimonies of people that are making money in the market. Some of them are marketers, some of them are real traders, some of them are only selling courses. Regardless of how you heard about the market, we are going to talk about the trader circle. The second thing is, once you heard about the market, you started learning about pips, you started learning about what is Forex, how to trade in Forex market, how to use your MetaTrader 4, or how to use any trading platform you've heard about. And then there is this sudden success you will have in the market. I assure you, you're going to see this, except if you have not passed through this quadrant correctly. You will see this sudden success in the market. Let me type it correctly. The mistake of thinking that this market is a get-rich-quick stuff, all right? It's a get-rich-quick stuff. Still about volume, still low on phone. Guys, let me know, because some people are saying the volume is okay, some people are saying the volume is low. I don't know. Can you hear me properly now? How about now? Can you hear me? Is the sound okay? Is my sound okay now? How about now? Is the sound okay now? Because, all right, all right, all right. Fair enough. Okay. Picture is not clear. Loud and clear, loud and clear, and better. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I will try and improve in the next session we will have. But don't worry, the recordings will be here and you can have access to them. All right. So the trader circle, you start and then you move to thrill and success, the sudden success that comes. You made some money. When I started with $25, and in just 2 weeks, I turned this $25 to $650. That was the first 2 weeks I started trading. And guys, guess what? In the next 3 weeks, I increased my lot size and increased my position size, my leverage. Then I lost the money. All right? I lost the money. And then this is where the poor money management comes, because you've seen a sudden success in the market. You will now begin to think that this market is a get rich quick stuff, and then you start a very poor money management, all right, in the market. And that is the greatest unbecoming you will face in the market. Are you seeing this very clearly? All right. So you have to pay attention to this trader circle. Most people don't know about this, but almost every successful trader out there will tell you, if they are sincere, they will tell you about this trader's circle. This is the real trader's circle. All right. So after you start this poor money management, the next thing that will come is you will begin to see losses. The next thing is the losses that will follow. All right? The losses that will follow this quadrant in the market. And if care is not taken, this is where you will begin to lose hope in the market. And most people, after this thrill and success, they will now borrow money from their friends, from their colleagues, from whoever is out there. They begin to borrow money, and this is where the problem comes. They borrow money, they call their friends, please, can you give me $1,000? I want to do something with $1,000 or $10,000, depending on where your country is. Because $10,000 in my country is a big money. It's a big money. You borrow this money and you put it in the market because you want to trade, and then you end up blowing the money. And you will start paying debt because you had a very, very poor money management and very wrong perception of how the market operates and what is really happening in the market. I hope you're learning something here, so you cannot follow this same quadrant that everybody is following. I'm trying to save you time and trouble. Channel education, just like the way some of you located my YouTube channel, or some of you located ICT's official YouTube channel, Michael J. Hodison. Education, you look for good education, you begin to learn again from the very basic. You begin to look for good education, but at this point you now have a mix of different knowledge. That is where you will begin to hear about price action, indicator trading. You hear about several, pattern trading, ICT, in general ICT, or what other people call SMC. All right. This is where you will begin to hear different concepts. You are having a battle in coordinating the knowledge you have gotten in the market. Different knowledges are here for you to get the best out of it, to get the best out of the different information you've gathered in the market. Maybe you've paid a mentor that taught you how to take this strategy, how to trade that particular strategy, how to do that, how to do this. All right. Are you with me in this? The picture is not clear. Please, you can adjust the clarity of your screen, make it high quality so you can hear me very clearly. All right. Is everybody with me? All right. I can see somebody typing it correctly there. Please, if you're having troubles with getting the clarity, you can adjust the quality on your screen. Go to settings and then you can adjust the quality. You will have a very clear view of what I'm doing. Are you getting what I'm sharing with you right here? All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. I'm happy to be doing this, and I love teaching and I love to impact knowledge. I learned this from Naveen Prithiani, one of my very earliest mentors in the market, very earliest mentor. He's a very good teacher. A lot of traders don't know him, but he's one of the very good teacher of price action. All right. So education will come next. And after you've gotten the education, with the battles in coordinating this knowledge, you will still see further losses, another losses in the market, because you are battling with what concept to now finally select, what concept to now use. Now you will see further losses in the market. All right. And panic. All right. Further losses and panic in the market. This is what you face. I think losses is double S, right? My spelling was wrong. All right. You begin to see further losses in the market and panic will come in. That is where a lot of traders, some will give up at this point. Some will give up, some will stay and be persistent. Some will still go back very basic. All right. The very basic of learning, and that is the next quadrant, this quadrant. All right. This next one is where most people will come back to. So if we have 100 people that started here in this point, at this point we may just have like 8 people or 9 people in this place. And the more we go further, the number of people will reduce. All right. So the next one is your very basics. You will go back to the basic of trading. All right. Back to the basic. Sorry, I'm typing slowly because my keyboard is a bit far from me. Basics of proper trading. All right. Of proper mindset, trading mindset, whatever. All right. So you will go back to the very basic of proper trading mindset. And this is when you will begin to see change. If you pass and endure through all these phases, this is where the performance comes. This is where the performance comes. When you hear people saying they are full-time traders, almost every one of them pass through this circle, performance. All right? Almost every single one of them pass through these challenges. And this is when you will begin to see results. But you have an advantage now. That is the good thing. You don't have to pass through all this as an uninformed trader. You don't have to go through this. You can jump from here to here. That is why you are here. You will leave all these troubles and you will jump from here to here. Forget about this one, forget about this one, forget about this one, forget about this one. Mentorship is what gives you result without pain. It gives you outcome without paying the price of pain. All right? The mentorship you will have will give you result without the pain factor. That is the beauty of mentorship. I hope you are learning this. I hope you are learning this. I know that this market, anybody that is not ready to pay attention to money management will later pay the price in the future. It's either you leave the market or you learn the price of money management. So I have a very short slide here that I want to share with you very briefly. Let's talk about why exactly do we need money management? What is money management? Now, from the word money management, you know that for you to manage money, that means there is something that is fetching the money out of people's hand in the market. For you to make money in the forex market, somebody will be losing money at their end. Somebody is selling and somebody is buying. That is how the market operates. And it is a certainty. It's not, you are not assured that you will not lose your money in the market. That is why you need the understanding of money management. It is possible to make money in the market and it is possible to lose money in the market. So since we know that it is possible to lose money in the market, what are we supposed to do? We need to ensure that in the days that we are going to make money, we make it maximum, or we make as much as we can have. And in the days that we will lose money, we lose so little that it wouldn't affect us. All right? We lose so little that it will not affect us, because we are assured that sometimes we will make money in the market and sometimes we will lose money in the market. And that is the simplest definition of money management. Forget about what other people are saying, do this, do that. Just understand that you have two chances in the market, either to lose money or to make money. So find a way of making so much when you have the chance to make money, and if you are losing, you lose just a little of your money. So that is basically what money management is. And then I want you to completely forget about what the books are saying. This is what helped me in the market. Forget about what the books are telling you out there. You know, the books will tell you trade just 2% of your account, 1% of your account. You know, some books will tell you trade this, trade that. Find something that works for you, because money is sometimes attached to our psychology. Money is sometimes attached to our psychology, and that is why you need to understand your personality first and how you manage your reaction to money. All right? How you manage your psychological reaction to money. There are some days that you can lose $100 and you will feel normal. There are some days you can lose $100 and you will feel so down you wouldn't even be able to do anything throughout that day. So if losing $100 is a big trouble to you, why would you lose $100? Just because $100 is the 3% of your account, why would you lose it? All right? So forget about the books. Look for something that works for you, and that is what takes us to the next point: understanding your number. All right, I will take time and explain this properly here. Everybody, we are not equal in this world. Financially, we are not equal. Some people have more money than others. Some people have, their basic needs satisfied, and some people are still struggling and hustling every day to make ends meet. Especially in some part of the world, you will find people that are living below $1 in a day. There are people that are living below $10 in a day. And how about them if they want to get into the market? That is where you need to understand your number. Now, this is where you have to see it from you have to see this connecting with your own personality. Let me give you an example. How much do you spend in a day, like on yourself or your bills? How much do you spend in a day? That is the first question you must be asking yourself. How much do I spend in a day? What is the maximum amount of money that I spend in a day? If you spend $100 in a day and you feel comfortable, that is your bill. That is your bills for that day. $100, or you spend $200. Some people spend $1,000 and that is their bill in a day, and they feel normal and comfortable. That is your number. That amount of money that if you spend on your bills on that day, you will be comfortable and not be panicking. That is your number. Okay? Do you spend $100 in a day? $100 in my country is about 90,000 naira. $100. Do you spend $90,000 in a day? Those of you that are from Nigeria, do you spend $90,000? A question to you. Do you spend $90,000 naira in Nigeria? My Nigerian brothers, do you spend that amount of money? If you are comfortable spending $50 in a day, that's about 45,000 naira, right? Then you're okay. You're okay, you don't have problem. You are comfortable with spending that amount of money. Then you're okay. That is your number. Now, this is how you do. If you get your number properly, if you have your number properly, the next thing you do is that if it is $100 that I'll be spending in a day and not feel anything, you should understand that anytime you go above $100, $200 will make you uncomfortable. You will not make rational decisions in the market. All right? $200 will make you to lose focus. So this $100 that you call your number, this $100 that is within the threshold of your spending in a day, you divide it into 3. Divide this $100 into 3. Now, $100 divided by 3 is about 30, is it 33? Yes, 33 point something naira, dollar rather. 33 point something, let's say 3, whatever the number is, dollars. Okay? This will give you, so if you are getting into the market on that day, how do? You have 3 chances. You have 3 chances. We're not talking about the technicals of market now. In the subsequent lessons we're going to have, I will take time and explain that in detail, how to get a strategy, how to do those ones. Now it's about your money, because this is why we are in the market. The big boys are in the market because of money. We as retail traders are in the market because of money. So why are we still not paying attention to the most important thing? So if I have 3 chances to take a trade from something that I know if I lose in that day, and I know some people are below this number, some people is just $10. That is their maximum spending in a day. All right. If you are in other countries, probably you have access to bigger money. Whatever, just get the number. Just get the number. I don't want to be calling digits that are so high, because I know a lot of you traders here are coming from a place of pain. Maybe you paid a mentor and they showed you that you're going to make money overnight, and today you are regretting a lot of things. So I want you to stay within a limit that can help you to build a robust trading psychology. Eventually, you will see the trading curve going up. And this is even what investors look for. Investors don't look for your is it a sudden result? They look for your result over time. They see the learning curve or the increment. They see how you have built that portfolio. It's not that you just went from $100 to $2,000 in a day and you are happy. All right? If you cannot do that for 2 months, you can't do that for 2 months. Your psychology, the personality of humans don't allow you to do that. You keep repeating the same class time and again. You keep repeating the same class time and again. And that is why in my trading journal, if you don't have the trading journal, please do well to get it. It's in the Telegram community. Make sure you follow this. If you don't follow this, I assure you, you will always be in the same pain to another, jumping from one level of pain to another. All right? So, dividing your $100 into 3 places, how many chances do you have? So you can see that if you have the chance, you can take 3 different trades. If you have a trade on GBP, all right, GBP, let's say GBP USD, Euro USD, or Aussie dollar USD. So you can take 3 different trades, risking just this amount of money, $100 that is within your number. In these 3 places, you are eventually looking for maybe 2:1, 1:2, or some trades will give you 1:3. Do you see that if you eventually end up winning 2 of these 3 trades opportunity you have, all right, you're going to make 4, maybe 4, is it 4? Yes, because if you are risking 1 to get 2, you're going to get almost twice of this money. All right, you're going to get twice of that money in that day. There are days you make just 1 out of these 3 trades. You will make just 1 out of these 3 trades. And then 1:2, you have not lost any money. You lost $33 in 2 places, and then you won $33 times 2 is about 60, or let's say 66 point something, plus the one that you have right there. So your money will still be in your wallet, and you will have another chance to trade tomorrow. So doing this over and over and over again is what makes you a real trader, not that sudden rise in one day and then tomorrow you are coming down. You look for another money and fund your account again. All right, I hope you're learning something here, because what I'm sharing with you, all right, I'm seeing a lot of people for 2 months. All right, I spend 20,000 naira in a day. Thank you for your honesty, guys. Thank you for your honesty. Withdraw 70% of my profit, restart again. Correct. All right, mathematics tutorial. You did well, guys. If you are making money, this is what I did when I was trading. You see that my $2,000 account, the moment I see it reach a certain amount, I withdraw the money and let me feel the money around me. Don't keep your money in account forever. Your idea to make money. So once you make the money, remove it. All right? Once you make the money, remove it. So that is how to build. This is a long time business. It's not an overnight success business. Forget about those guys about trading. All right? I can tell you the truth about trading, because some of you get your number. Anytime you take trade and you're not comfortable, you are scared, that means you're going above your number. Anytime you take trades and you are always looking at your phone. When I started trading, guys, I don't sleep. I don't sleep. I will enter trade and I will be looking at my phone till the next day. What is happening? I will not be able to sleep. Why? Because I will open like 5-10 positions in one place, and they are going against me. All right? And secondly, the only reason is because you are giving yourself too much expectation in the market. You are giving, some of you have quit your jobs. Some of you have, used your business's money. Give me so amount of money. I want to put it in the market. I will be giving you promise them some hilarious percentage. You can be making money with your own personal money. The day you borrow money from people to trade is the day you will see a sudden turn in the market. All right? This is the truth. Uh, I have to come back to myself. One day when I was trading, I was in the university. I called my cousin brother, that guy, I have learned a skill. Send me money. He was a medical doctor. He was doing, there's something we call housemanship in Nigeria for medical doctors. He gathered his money that time. I called him, send me money. I want to trade with it. I will give you 40%. That was what I said. I promised him 40%. The day that money came to my account, it didn't reach 2 days. He sent me around, that was 2018. I've been trading in the market since 2017. The year I started seeing money in the market was 2019, ending towards Corona period. During Corona, I was removing some money, I settled down my mindset. Network, there is a disconnection. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Something is happening. I don't know what is happening. All right. Just a minute. Will be delivered from these teachings, because let me see you type it in the comments. It's good now, right? All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All right. So I borrowed money from my cousin brother and I put it in the market. I blow the money, and that is the end of my good relationship with money back. All right. I couldn't pay the money back. Do yourself well. Do not give anybody claiming to be trading in the market your money to trade. They will blow your money. There is an energy that comes with borrowing money from people to trade with, and that is the greatest unbecoming that you will ever have. Do not borrow money. Trade by yourself. If you want to trade, learn it. Learn it and go into the market by yourself. Know your number, a number that is still... guys, are we together? Is this transmitting correctly? All right. All right, guys. So, I'm telling you the truth. A lot of mentors will not tell you this. At least, if I tell you the truth, you can. Next time you see people telling you this, they should show you their track records, show you their losses, show you where they are getting it wrong. Nobody will tell you this in the market because they are not really making money from trading. Most people. But I want you to make this as part of you, as part of the business you will do. All right? So the next thing is the concept I call... This is one of the mistakes that a lot of traders do. After getting your set of rules, this is what I'm going to do. Today, I'm going to take 2 trades. I'm going to take 1 trade. Can you walk away after a trade? Can you walk away? Come to your chart. The first thing you do is to do your analysis. All right? The first thing you do is to do your analysis. Basically, how I trade in a day, I wake up and the first thing I do, I study and I pray and I come to my chart. Once I come to my chart and look at what is happening, first thing I do, I go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory will give you an idea of the kind of volatility that is in the market that day. Economic news. Am I trading in a high volatility day, or am I expecting any high impact news? Forexfactory.com is where you come to first to look at what is happening. All right. So if I know that GBP or USD is having a high impact news, today is Saturday. Let me see if I can go to Sunday or Monday. This is Monday. So on Monday, you are expecting high impact news. The ones you see with red is called high impact news. It is expected to be very high. So if I look at what is happening there, the next thing I do is to come back to my chart. This is where the technicals is. I now apply every concept. I look at the market from the perspective of top-down analysis. What is the order flow? Where is the big boys taking the money? or where are they going to? Are they going up or are they coming down? All right. So I will have at least 3 currency pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, Aussie USD, or USD CAD. At least 3 of these ones in currencies to look at, because some days you will find some of these ones are giving you high volatility or they are giving you clear chart, and other ones are not giving you clear charts. They are correlated. So if I know what is happening, especially on DXY, DXY is basically the king of the movement. DXY, this is that measures the performance of the United States dollar. So this guy that you see here, if this guy is going up, all foreign currencies will be downward, because foreign currencies from Euro, GBP, Aussie, all of them are paired together. So all of them that have USD on the left, on the right hand side, right here you can see Euro USD, GBP USD, Aussie, let's call it Aussie, did I get this correct? Aussie USD, you have New Zealand USD, and what else again? Okay, so all these guys that have USD on their right hand side are expected to go down that day. So this guy you're seeing, this DXY, you can find it with your broker, or maybe you can find it on TradingView. Anytime I see him going up, I do the opposite of what this guy is doing on all concept I'm using. I will now bring in all my technical analysis and see what is happening. If I go down to the lower time frame, I see it as a downtrend. If I go down to the lower time frame again, I see it as a downtrend. And then I will carefully wait for price to come to where I'm looking at it. For looking at which trade is that? Movement like this, price came, or which one should I give you an example? I'm not doing technical analysis here, I'm just trying to show you. All right, something like this that came, break, price is retracing. I wait for it to retrace because it is in alignment with my technical analysis. If I take this trade, guys, if I take this guy from here as a sell, my stop loss is somewhere here or somewhere, let's say there, and then I'm targeting this place. I call this place landmine because it is a very, very corny place. Price can reverse from there. If I enter this trade, I will simply close my computer and then go away. I will go away. And this is as a result of me not being tempted to take profit here. Look at this. Sometimes price can come here, and then because you've seen, maybe you've made $30, you've made $100, you are quick to pick your profit. You pick profit early, and then when it is going against you, you will patiently wait for it to touch your stop loss. Why can't you have confidence that price can come to this place? Except if you are in a low volatility day and you see prices showing sign that it is going to go back to your entry or maybe go against you. That is when you can close the trade. But if you are so sure, you're confident that your analysis is correct, allow it to go to your take profit. If you do this up to 3 to 4 times, you will see that your losses is, when you lose in a trade, you lose $30, and when you win, you won $90. Okay? You can take 5 trades and lose 3. All right? 30 times 3 is how much? 30 times 3 is 90. All right? And then you won just 2. Each of these one that you're winning $60. 60 times 2 is how much? Is 120. 120 minus 90. You now see that you will still be in profit of how much? $30. All right, you will still be in profit of $30. So I want you to learn this. This is how to do trading. Don't move, don't keep on entering. This is, I told you guys this one, on following it. You keep on following it. You don't want to let go of the money. You are feeling like the market is cheating me. You don't want to let go of the market. That is why there is stop loss. Some people don't trade with stop loss. Some of you don't do it. Some of you don't trade with stop loss. Uh, are we still having problem with network? Whoa. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I will upload the recordings for you in the YouTube channel. Don't worry, we'll be doing this every Saturday until you learn how to do this. Are we back? Are we back? Whoa. Where is the problem coming from? Can you hear me, guys? Yes. Uh, is it from my end? The disconnection, okay, is breaking, is breaking. Am I back? We are back, right? Yes, it's true. It's raining in most places in Nigeria and there is breakage in the network. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. I hope this thing allow us to do it to the end. I'm telling you some things that will help you in the market. So please, guys, don't trade without stop loss. Do not trade without stop loss. And don't keep on moving your stop. Okay, let me show you this. The moment you keep on following the market as it goes against you, so that one day if it reaches another place, it starts coming back, you are doing yourself more harm than good, because as it keeps going, what if it doesn't come back? This is not trading, it's gambling. Those of you that know Bet Niger, this is gambling. This is Bet Niger you're doing. All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. Ramuki, thank you. Thank you, Ramuki. All right. We are lost. Oh, disconnected again. Oops. Uh, guys, please let me know if you can hear me. It's something, I don't know what is the problem, but from my end, I think the whole thing is all right. Guys, can you hear me? It's okay now, right? Sorry about that, guys. I will make adjustment next time. But we'll just try and round up here and then I'll upload this one. So guys, don't trade without stop loss. Don't keep following as market is going against you. Imagine somebody here that keeps, imagine, believing that market will come in his direction. Keep following. By now he has blown his account and he will go back to zero. He will fund the account again and start from zero. I told you this, one position is enough. Do your risk management. If you have $100 and you're willing to risk $10 in the $100, divide it into 3. That means in each trade you are risking $3. Even if it means for you to go into trade with 0.01, do it. You have 3 trades in the $10. Forget about the books. You have 3 trades. And then this is it. This is the beauty of this. Even if you want to open 3 trades, don't open it on GBP USD alone. You can go to Euro USD since they are correlated and open another trade in the same direction. In the same direction in 3 different directions. All right? Sorry, I mean in 3 different places but same direction. You are selling on GBP USD, you are selling on Euro USD, you are selling on Aussie USD. All right? You break at some point. All right. So next time, guys, I'll try my best, and we may probably be doing it in the night time. All right. So issue, the challenge is disconnecting. I think we may end the class now. We may end the class. I will upload the recording. And then you guys can watch it. Next time we'll continue. I have so many things I have to share with you. Probably next Saturday. So just stay tuned. I will network breaking. Don't worry. I will end the session now because of the disconnection. All right. Yes, I have aspect of psychology, but the network is breaking. Okay. Guys, because of the network issue is disconnecting. I don't know where the problem is, but I think we can fix another meeting together. Don't worry, we will do more of these subsequently. All right. Can you walk away after your trades? It's yes, Zoom is good, but guys, Zoom, the payment for so many people, I checked the prices. I think the maximum we can get is 1,000 people. And 1,000 people, are you sure it's going to contain all of us? All right. The network problem, I will continue the session next time so we can have time together. Thank you, guys. I would like to just end it here. All right. I would like to just end it